Hello friends, this is Gokul from Google Tech, and today in this video we are going to see the multiple uses of switch function in Excel. How this function is used and what are its benefits, we are going to compare it with two other functions, which is IFS, and how we are going to use along with choose function in Excel. Let's start with the today's session. So let's start with the first function, which is my switch and my state. My state is nothing but if it is Tamil Nadu, my capital is Chennai, and if it is Karnataka, and my capital is Bangalore, if it is Kerala, and it's Trivandrum, and if it's Maharashtra, it's Mumbai. So just hit enter. The formulas will get adjusted because it's in the table format, so we have autofill the data. So let's see what will happen here. Before that, I'll just converting it into table by clicking Control T and enabling this my table as headers. And I'm going to use ifs function now, equal to ifs. My logical test on is state is equal to Tamil Nadu. Then return me the capital. My capital is Chennai. Else again my state. So we have written the formula where compared to switch case, if as we need to refer every time the state function and it's a time consuming activity. But in the switch case, we have referred only once the value, which is my state, and remaining we have given only the values, not every time we refer to the our source column. So this is the difference between if s and switch, and I preferably use switch when it comes to more logical instead of if s. Right? We'll move to the second part, how to enable the fiscal quarter of based on the date which we are getting using switch and the choose function, how it is going to work. So equal to switch and month of the date column, and if my value is 1, which is my month is 1, it should be in the third quarter, because for me the quarters it should be 4, because my quarter starts in the month of April. That's my fiscal year starts from April. If it is starts from January, then accordingly you can give it as 1. But for me it is, if it is January it should be 4, and if it is February also 4, and if it is March also 4, and so on. So ideally we got the result which is based on the fiscal month written and quarter for that particular, which is fiscal quarter for that particular month. So what else we'll do with the choose function? Choose. So my index number we are going to provide with the based on the month and give comma. For my fiscal year starts from April, so I'm going to give it from the start month, which is my 4, 4 comma 4 comma 4 comma 1 comma 1 comma 1. Why we are providing 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 is because we have only 4 quarters in an year. So the same result we are getting as per the above table. Instead of switch function, we can use choose function to get the fiscal year as well. So ideally, this says that the switch function also have its own pros and cons. We need to choosy enough to select which area or what instance we are going to use this switch function in our daily task. Hope this video is clear and concise to your. If you have any doubt in this video or particular previous videos, please post that in comments. We are happy to assist you in all the time. And we are repeating it again. We are constantly posting the our website link in description box. You can visit it for once and provide your valuable feedback so that we can constantly work and improvise our website as well. Thanks for watching. We'll meet you in the next exciting video. Until then, bye from us. Thank you and have a great day ahead.